My name is Doska Winston Tembo. I come from Malawi. Malawi is in Central Africa. I came here to Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad, high-tech city, because I had a knee problem. The main problem was while in Malawi, I was having challenges to walk. So I visited several hospitals there, and then they advised that my knee required a total replacement, the right knee. So through a friend of mine who happened to have come to Yashoda hospitals, he referred me to Dr. Ron Mohan. Ron is one that recommended that I come here. Then we agreed on how I could come here, and through a lady known as Priya, we made the arrangements for me to come here. When I came here on 28th December 2023, I met the team here, and the welcoming was very good. The hospitality was excellent. They took me around, and then the following day we did the lab tests, medical examinations, and they saw that I was fit for surgery. The doctor, Dr. Ram, I think Mohan Ede, he assured me that the knee indeed required replacement, and he assured me that he would be able to do the job properly. So he asked me if I was ready for it, and I was saying that because I have a problem, naturally I was ready, and indeed we agreed that the operation could take place on 30th December. So indeed I had the surgery on the 30th December, and I was in bed in the hospital for about 4 or 5 days, because we were discharged on the 3rd of January. So from 3rd of January, we were around at the Yashoda guest house, where we were well looked after. And then on 16th January, we came for review, and the doctor was happy with the progress and the rate at which the wound was healing. So, but he assured us that we needed another observation. He gave us another 2 weeks for observation, and on the 30th January we met him again, Dr. Ram, and he was happy with the progress, and he discharged us. So now we are preparing to go home to Malawi. He encouraged us that I should be doing some physiotherapy, which I have already started while here at the hospital. And he asked me and he encouraged me to try to walk, and indeed I was able to walk. If you look at me, I can walk a few steps. Like before I couldn't, now I'm trying to walk. Yeah, but he encouraged me not to stress the knee too much until I'm able to walk properly, until full healing. So he was talking of maybe in about 2 months' time, I should be able to walk properly without aid. But after that, give it another maybe another 2 more months, maybe after 4 months, then I should be able to run, do some jogging. So I would like to recommend others, if you have an opportunity to come to Yashoda hospitals, please feel free. The hospital is nice, the equipment is good, the services that I got, especially through my doctor, Dr. Ram, I would easily recommend that anyone come here. So if you have any questions about this hospital, please feel free to contact the management of Yashoda Hospital. Thank you very much.